Good morning, good people. Good day, good evening, good night. Shalom, shikamo, wagwan, namaste. So, like people, depending on your time zone, I'm Asuji right here. We are on this mission, on our ambitious project. And today, we are going to receive the glasses. And also, we also want to make the ladder and just so many things we want to fix, just bit by bit, bit by bit. We call it Building Africa. Yeah. We want it to look like New York, US, in the US, New York in the US, Washington, D.C., Minnesota, and all that. So we are here, and that is what is going on. So guys, stay tuned and remember to subscribe to the channel. Today is the day for receiving the glasses as they were measured. So we shall go because now they picked them. I was so busy, guys, and so I did not show you, but the vehicle is here taking the glasses. Yeah. So yeah. So now the vehicle is leaving, as you can see. It has left. It has delivered the glasses. So hizi ni nini ngapi?
Bucket.
Sababu ni mbao hapo. Mbao ni 20 bob.
20 bob. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wapi 10?
10 by 2.
Oh, okay. So 20.
Yes.
Alafu hii ni?
Hiyo ni 15 liters.
Hizi ni nini? Turpentine. Inachanganya pati how many? 20.
Uwezi hata niambie tunaweza shinda. Juu inalingana na ugumu wa pati vile iko. Ni kama tuseme kupika ugali.
So ukileta hii 3 ulikuwa unamaanisha itatoshea hizo 20?
Kwa fikra zangu kulingana vile huwa
unafanya. Okay. Yes. Sasa umezipanga aje hizi kio?
Sasa bado nataka ndio niposa nikakwambia nafasi yenye nitakula ni kubwa zaidi.
Kubwa zaidi aje?
Nakula mpaka huko. Sasa tunajua kila disha nimeweka namba yake. Sasa kutupatia kazi rahisi.
Ushaweka hii ni yao.
Lebo. So hizo lebo kila kilebo inakaa mahali pake.
Mahali pake. Yes. Umeweka mpaka huko?
Bado hizo zilikuwa tutaingiza, yani tunataka kuanza kazi.
Kuzipanga. Yes. Ndio ujue za stairs ndio zile tu.
Za stairs ndio hizo tu.
Ndio hizo tu.
Zingine pia tuko pale.
Umemix.
Mix sasa ni kuzipanga.
Okay. So hapa nao ndio nilikuwa nakwambia huyo plumber is coming to work there.
Anatumia hii room.
Yeah. Anatumia tu hapo. Okay. Si ashafanya hii, ni hapo imebaki.
Haina shida.
Yaku, so mtaziweka tu because
tutabakuje.
Si ndio?
Tutabakuje tutakuwa tunazongesha.
Sawa. Okay. Yep. So hiyo ndio mnataka kufanya sasa, kupanga. Kwa hivyo gari imeenda?
Yeah, sawa, hata shughuli.
Sasa nimefikiri ati anawangojea.
Hiyo sasa niwe tumekomboa tu.
Sio ya Muhindi.
Ya Muhindi yes beba hizo yote. Hiyo ndio tumekomboa tu.
Okay.
So lazima pia yeye atafute unga kwingine.
Atafute. Sawa. Okay. Sawa. So nikihesabu tu hizi vitu 1 2 3 4 5 najua sehemu hapa. Hakuna.
Hapa hauna nini, hauna wasiwasi.
Nauliza tu yani. Sababu naona ni kidogo.
Ni kidogo? Lakini ni nyingi.
Ni nyingi?
Hizi.
Itatoshea. Mimi nimeshindwa hii sasa.
Unaziona tu hivi, ngoja uone.
Okay, sawa.
Wewe, kazi yako ni kukilea Muhindi. Nyumba yangu pale penye walipima ijaisha. Sawa. Hiyo tu ndio yako. Okay. Sawa. Itakuwa sawa. Ile haiko, bora wewe ukileo, Henry alipima hapa, mbona ijaisha.
Ijaisha.
Nataka ishi.
Okay, sawa. Good. So just more updates, guys. You can see today we also did some cleaning and some reorganizing of this place, and this is how it looks now. Yeah, you can see this is how it looks, because water used to just stop there, and so we put a bit of a barrier so that when water is coming uphill, you know, the ground is slopey. You can see coming down like that until where I am right now, guys. And so when the water comes, it was coming and just branching here, but now I put all this to block it so that we don't have a pool here. And also we've arranged the stones. This is the security office, guys, security office, reception kind of, and this is where the control, that we shall have a control here, and my office will be inside there. And yeah, so these are the materials that were left, and we've already removed the ladder that was here. We've removed this ladder, and we are now installing them somewhere else. Let us walk and see where we are installing them from. Yeah, so you can see there, they are installing the ladder. They are installing that ladder in readiness for the glass windows to be fixed. Yeah, glass for windows to be fixed. So that's what's going on. And up there you can see they are arranging. We shall go there and see how things are working out. So yeah, stay tuned, and always remember to subscribe to support the channel. That is how things are. There's just much we are doing. Even here, this had to be fixed because we didn't have the place for fixing the glass. So far it has been fixed. And let me see the door this side. This is our cement store. It's our cement store. Yeah, cement store. So we are here. This door now has, we can lock it. It's a good thing now we can lock it. Yeah, this is how it is. So now we can lock it, and that's a good thing. That's a very, very good thing. Unlock it now. Then we have, yeah, that's the thing. This is our store. Those ones are terrazzo materials right there, and the grouts for the tiles. Yeah, this is our store, but majorly for cement. So we have how many cement bags of cement left? 1, 2, 3, and let's just call it 4. Because there's a bit there and a bit here. That's like 3/4, and then this like 1/4. So we have like 4, and then we have the skimming. Yeah, something like that. So let us go this side where the fundi is working, the welder. Where the welder is, you see how things are going. Good thing. So here we have the broken tiles. I've kept them here. They'll be made into very good use. And that's why they are here. Yeah. Have them here. Umeweka. Okay. Hiyo ni poa sasa. Hiyo ni poa. Sasa ni kifuli tu. Tutaweka tu kifuli.
Lakini hapo baadaye.
Nini hiyo?
Unaona hii? Hii
Kama ile uliweka the other side. Oh. Sababu ya nini? Mtu anaweza simama tu hapo kwa wall. Aingie. Alafu hiyo pipe pia hapo ya hiyo inakimbiza nini kutoka juu. Haijakaa poa. Si ndio? Yeah. Na hapa sasa tutafanya aje? Na unajua hapa iliwekwa low sana. Tutafanya aje hapa? Unaona? Because hiyo tutafanya aje? Unaona sasa maji nayo imewekwa tu where supposed to be. So hapo unaona tutaweza fanya aje? Kuweka mawe.
Hapa.
Tuweke mawe mpaka hapo. Ndio iwekwe sink. Iwekwe mpaka hapa. Hapa hivi. Yeah, because iko nini sana. Iliwekwa chini sana. Sawa sawa. Yeah, so that is how things are. Yeah. Women in construction. I'm one of them, guys. So, and I enjoy doing this, waking up early and coming to the site. Makes me very happy. Very, very happy. Yeah, so you've seen that. And another place that was being fixed was Onye. Yeah, so this side is okay. Just I called him because I called the welder because this place had not been fixed. You can see now he has done it. Yeah, because there's no way we are going to fix glass and it's just like that. Okay, yeah. So that is how it is. Maybe you look at this first house here. It was cleaned and it's looking very nice. So this is how things are. Yeah. So this is a sitting room. Low roof. That is how it is. Yeah. And the bedroom. Looking that. Go in, chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. And then that is how it is. And then you have your wardrobe. Your wardrobe. There. Wardrobe there. And then your washroom opposite. And here we shall have glass on this door here. Shall have a glass. Hey, it will come out nicely. Enjoy the video. What's happening? The welding of the door. You can see. That one is for sliding door for the bath, for the washroom. Yeah, for the washroom. You can see. It was being reduced. It was not giving a very nice fitting inside the bathroom. So that's why it's working. It's being worked on now. You can see there. Yes, yeah. It's a problem there, I can see. Hapo ni kama iko kidogo. Unaona hapo? Eh? Yeah. And also going on there. Up there, they are arranging the glasses for the windows and doors in its order, according to sizes. We shall go there and see what is going on, how it's being done. And up there, plumber is also working on something up there. Yeah, so that is how things are, guys. The ambitious project one day it will come to one day we shall conclude on it. Yeah, so stay tuned and remember to subscribe. So let us go and see what's happening up here. So the arrangement is like that. Wow, this is how they've arranged them in this order. Hey, inakaa maridadi. So Sasa iko hivi. Hii naona cartoon kama ile gate ya soja. Hizo ziko kidogo kidogo. Okay. I see. Yeah. So this is how it has been arranged. So they are coming from inside here. Here. Yeah. From inside here to this side to be arranged according to the sizes. So that's how it is. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see. So those are the plumbers. So let us see this side, what they are doing. This place is here to be cleaned. So you see, this is how it is. So what is left there is floor trap there. Side is okay. So it must suit. Let us see what is here. Yeah, so this side. Floor trap is here to be fixed so that hand wash basin will be where? Should be there, here, there. So floor trap takes that water from there. Just see. Just see now this side what they've done. The fields are dry. The last rains. This maize were planted in October, but they didn't germinate because there's no rain until 24th December. Now they are coming up. But again, we've gone back to dryness. It's very dry again. So they're telling me they're here. This is strange. They're here. But here now they've not put anything. What's happening here? Even this side, nothing. Okay. Okay. So this is what is happening. Yeah, so guys, woman in construction or women in construction. So I've been here. I come here every day. It has been my 8 to 5 job. Yeah. So stay tuned and continue watching and support by subscribing, please.